Hello and welcome to How to Log In. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can sign into your Kik Messenger account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Kik Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have it, you can download it from the Play Store. Go ahead and click on it after you install it. Now you can see the login and join option. If you don't have an account yet, you can just go ahead and click on join and join the Kik Messenger team. If you have an account, you can see the login option. Go ahead and click on login, and the next step is to write down your email address or Kik username you had registered to Kik with. So after you have written it down, go to the second box and write down your password. Make sure the password is correct by checking the password once. So if you are unsure that this password is correct, just go ahead and remove it. Go ahead and write it down once again and go ahead and click login. After that, you will be headed to the main interface of Kik. So you can see that if the password is incorrect, it will be shown immediately that the password which you had previously set is incorrect. So go ahead and write down the password carefully and click login once again, and then you will be able to log into your Kik Messenger account. Then you can start messaging with your friends quite easily. I hope this video about how you can sign into your Kik Messenger app was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.